you. Let me bring in federal attorney Kelly Hyman for more here. Kelly, Nancy just laid out everything, the DNA evidence, the surveillance footage that was shown yesterday, the testimony. There was also that letter that prosecutors say shows motive. Just from all the evidence that's been laid out as a whole, is there any chance this does not go to trial?
That is going to be very difficult if it doesn't go to trial, because we have to remember in this case, this is a preliminary hearing. This is not a full trial. And what that means is, from a legal standpoint, the standard is not beyond a reasonable doubt. It's a much lower standard. It's a probable cause. And a lot of people know probable cause from grand jury indictments, where the grand jury determines that there is probable cause. In Utah, like numerous other states, the judge makes a determination about probable cause. And since that is such a low standard and the light most favorable to the prosecution, highly stands the likelihood of this case going to trial.
Prosecutors for the first time also detailing Tyler Robinson's alleged motive. Let me play a bit of sound there, and I'll get your take on the other side.
No. If they can avoid it, hell no. They run to the nearest sporting goods store. They get the thickest knee pads. They fall to their knees in front of the prosecutors, and they beg them to take death off the table.
Kelly, sorry, wrong sound there, but that was defense attorney Mark Aguilar's telling our Chris Cuomo he doesn't even think the defense wants a trial. So I'll ask you that question. Do you agree with that? And would the prosecution even consider a deal, given the intense push for justice in this case, including from the president?
Well, Mark has his opinion about it, and the only one that really knows that is the defense attorney that represents the client. But we have to look at this case from the standpoint of it is a death penalty case, and those are serious implications for the defendant. And the defense counsel tried to get the death penalty off the table, and that didn't happen. So from the likelihood of that and potentially making a plea deal, but it's also important to remember, if there is some kind of plea deal, that the victim's family get involved in that as well and have a say about that as well. And also that is considered in potential plea deal. So we have to consider that. And in this case, there needs to be justice. Ultimately, what happens in this case, we're going to have to see. But most likely, this case is definitely going to go to trial.
And what do you think the timeline of that is going to be? Once this 5-day hearing wraps up, at what point do you think we see an actual trial get underway?
That could take potentially next year to go to trial. It all depends on how it plays out. Now, this hearing is supposed to go until Friday, but there's speculation that this hearing might take longer. And then after that happens, the defense has to enter a plea, then additional discovery, and the defense needs to prepare and get ready for trial. So most likelihood at the earliest, the end of this year or to next year.
But talk about an excruciating wait for these families involved. Kelly Hyman, thank you so much. I got to end it there, but you and I will check back in just a little bit. Appreciate your time this morning.